BougeRV outdoor fan. This has an app that you can control it with. It's got 4 modes. It has a light that's built into it that has 2 modes. This can last up to 33 hours. I did my own test with the light as the highest setting and the fan at the highest setting. This will last for about 7 hours, okay? With the app, I'll show you the app right now. It's the BougeRV app. I can control this fan using the app. So right now you can see it gives me the amount of power that's in it, which it also does right on this little screen in the middle there. I can turn that screen on and off with the app, but I can turn the speed up. Look at that, 2, 3, 4, okay? We'll turn it back down because it's going a little. I can have a schedule, right? So I can have this run for an hour, or I can have it run for 2 hours. I'm sorry, this is the light actually. Or have the light off. Then here's the scheduling. So I can have this run for up to 8 hours using the app. If you don't want to use the app, you don't have to. There's buttons on the back right here. Okay, this is how you get power into it. This is how you get power out of it. So you can actually charge other devices with this. So if I click this button here, you'll see it turns the light up and down. You have your hours, so you can put a timer and off all the way up to 8 hours. I can turn the screen on and off. So if you want to conserve energy, right, you're going to turn the screen off. It's a very rugged design. It feels good. It has this cage with the rubber on the bottom so it won't vibrate. It won't. It'll actually stay put. And you also have a hook right here so you can hook this and then you can turn this in any direction that you want. So very, very nice outdoor camping fan. Can be used in all kinds of different applications in your car if you're camping. If you're just outside by the pool and you just need a fan for somebody. Very durable. This is the BougeRV fan with an app. Like who would have thought that fans would have came with an app? Also, this fan can charge other devices, which I really like because it has an onboard battery, of course, so you can get that power out of it, which is really nice as well if you don't need the fan. So we'll turn it up, and then we'll turn it down. BougeRV outdoor fan.